So, find out the producer surplus from the given equation. Producer surplus. Okay, so let's start. From this given equation, we have to find out the producer surplus. So first we have to equate producer demand and producer surplus, which is given in the question. So that is 3x square minus 20x plus 5 equals to 15 plus 9x. Then it would be 3x square minus 20x plus 5 minus 15 minus 9x equals to 0. 3x square minus 20x minus 9x, which will be minus 29x. 15x minus 15 plus 5 minus 10 equals to 0. So यहाँ पे we have to find out the value of x. How? Let's take क्योंकि उसको factorial नहीं कर सकते, there is a formula to find out the x. Here a is 3, b is minus 29, c is minus 10. So we have read about a formula that is minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a, इसका root over. So minus b is minus 29 of minus plus minus b square is minus 29 square minus 4 into a is 3, a and c minus 10, then is root over 2 into 3. So ये हो जाएगा 29 plus minus 29 square, that would be 29 square, that would be 841, I guess. 29 का square 841 minus 4 3 10, 4 into 3 12, 12 10, 120 minus minus plus 120 root over upon 6. So 29 plus minus, this would be 16961 divided by 6. So here it would be 29 plus 31 upon 6 or 29 minus 31 upon 6. This would be 60 upon 6 or 2 upon 6 minus 2 upon 6. So ये आएगा 10 और minus 1/3. So minus को हम नहीं लेते हैं, we will go with 10. So now producer surplus का equation P into Q minus producer surplus function of dx, डेरिवेटिव निकालना है उसका. So 15 plus 9x, equation is this 15 plus 9x, P into Q आ गया, that is okay. We have to put the value in the equation first. Before this we have to find out the value by putting the value first. So the equation is 15 producer surplus, the equation is 15 plus 9x, 15 plus 9x. So x का value आ गया है 9 into 10. This is 15 plus 90, that is 05 9 1 10 105. Okay, now we have to get the equation, that is formula of producer surplus is P into Q minus producer surplus of dx, derivative. So this is 105 into 10 minus equation था, that is 15 plus 9x of dx इसका होगा. So this would be 1050 minus 15x plus 9x square by 2. Then 1050 minus 15x would be 10 plus 9x square, 10 square upon 2. Then this would be लाइक दिस एंड 15 10 150 प्लस ये हो जाएगा 100 इंटू 9 400 अपन 9 ओके 400 अपन 2 सॉरी 900 अपन 2 9 इंटू 100 900 अपन 2 देन 1050 माइनस 150 प्लस ये हो जाएगा 450 10,050 माइनस 0 5 5 0 10 0 1 2 4 1 5 1 6 then this would be 0 5 0 5 6 4 so answer will be our 450. Okay, so let's see the equation first. So find out the producer surplus. For that we have to equate both the equation. Producer demand equals to producer surplus supply, this producer supply. देन हमने इक्वेट कर लिया उसको. देन ये आ गया, मतलब we have to basically find out the value of x by putting this function. ये इक्वेशन को हमने यूज़ किया to get the value of x, where we get x की वैल्यू दैट इज़ 10. देन जो ये वैल्यू आया इसको हमने पुट किया इन द इक्वेशन 15 + 9x विच इज़ गिवन एज प्रोड्यूसर सरप्लस. तो x की वैल्यू आ गई 10. देन 10 एंड मल्टीप्लाई हो गया, उसकी वैल्यू आ गई 105. तो प्रोड्यूसर सरप्लस उसकी इक्वेशन फार्मूला उसको पता है दैट पी इंटू क्यू माइनस इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ पी एस इंटू डिमांड ऑफ एक्स सॉरी डेरिवेटिव. सो 105 इंटू 10 माइनस 15 + 9x जो इक्वेशन दिया गया है, पूछा गया है. सो देन दिस इज 1050 15x + 9x स्क्वायर अपन 2 इंटीग्रेशन हो रहा है उसका. ओके, देन ये आ गया 1050, इसको मल्टीप्लाई करके वैल्यू पुट करके देन वी गॉट द वैल्यू दैट इज़ 450 विच इज़ आवर आंसर. I hope you got to know how the producer surplus equation calculated and how we can get the value by equating the function, by equating the equation that is given as producer demand and producer surplus, producer supply. So thank you everyone for watching this, and keep watching more.